Here the big wall will come up. So the main wall is over here. I think another 2 months the dam will be over, sir. Only main thing is only now the gate erection and the hoist. The hoist is coming from Germany. So that is going to take just about 20 days. We have come here today to review the work progress of the Ganol Hydropower project. We are here right now at the powerhouse, and the overall work is going on at a satisfactory level. Though I have asked all the officials of the MECL, especially the generation section, and also the contractors and other suppliers, to ensure that the work is completed at the earliest. I have been told that the work will be done very soon, and we should expect that the first unit will be commissioned by October of 2022, and consequently the next 2 units in the months to follow. So we are quite happy to see the progress, but we have asked the contractors and the officials and the suppliers to ensure that they continuously monitor and ensure that this project is completed on time, and the people of the region and the state as a whole are able to enjoy the power that will be supplied by the Ganol Power Project.